Hello, my name is Mila. I'm sales manager of Polish TICAB company. I would like introduce you our equipment. This is my favorite model of our equipment, complex for repairing road. Mira 3. This is a small recycler. It can regenerate old asphalt and heat up previously bought asphalt. This is a small bitumen emulsion sprayer for 100 liters. It has Japanese power engine Honda. Also it has manual hose for spraying. Inside the tank, a bitumen emulsion heated with gas burner. This complex includes infrared heaters with 3 cassettes. They heat and regenerate asphalt. Infrared heaters heat the surface of the asphalt and the bitumen doesn't burn out. This complex is very efficient for patching, repairing roads. The equipment can be mounted on trailers with brakes. This is a very effective and practical complex. TICAB company from Poland, waiting for your orders. Bye-bye.